Organ on a chip, an emerging field. But what are these chips? How small are they? Also, so many technologies out there, very confusing, right? Some use membranes, some use hydrogels to create a gut barrier. Some use one-path flow, some use recirculation. What are the advantages and disadvantages of these models? Have you ever wondered? And to make it more complex, you can add bacteria to them. Which models can you do that? Which models you cannot? To make things more complex, strictly anaerobic bacteria. What models are there out there? Do you want to find answers to your questions? Even better, do you want to get hands-on training on these models? This is Hossein from AZAR Innovations. Join us in the Organ on a Chip Masterclass around intestine and intestine microbiome on chips. 15 and 16 June in Amsterdam. Want to know more? See the description below. If you have any questions, contact us via the website.